Hello, my name is Shaikh Haseena Begum and I am from Macherla, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in the stream of B.Sc and I took 45 days of internship which was conducted by Evision Pvt Ltd. And I am very happy to say that I got placed in HCL. Thank you so much for the whole Evision team first of all. And for the lecturers as well. They were very supportive and they will teach you from the basics, so you don't need to worry about anything. You will get to learn about everything from the basics. And thank you so much for Dipti ma'am and Ganesh sir and Ashutosh sir and Priya ma'am and every single person who stood there and gave a chance to build our career. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Evision.